Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be covering the Berkshire Hathaway stock, ticker symbol BRK, and currently this stock is valued at around $413,000. Before we actually do get into the technical analysis and some of my predictions and also some of the major news coming out of Berkshire Hathaway, please go ahead and subscribe with your notification bells on. I'm going to be covering the best stocks of 2021 on this channel. I'm going to bring you guys the best stocks that I actually think have potential for growth every single day. So you guys definitely don't want to miss out on that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So the very first piece of news that actually came out of Berkshire Hathaway. If you guys don't already know, we cover the major news first before the technical analysis. So if you guys actually want to see the technical analysis, support and resistance levels, just make sure to watch until the very end of this video. But yeah, the very first piece of news coming out of Berkshire Hathaway is that Warren Buffett is actually looking to buy back more stock in Berkshire Hathaway. So if you guys didn't already know, the past few years, he's been slowly buying back a higher percentage of the Berkshire Hathaway stock. Currently, he owns about 16.5% of all the money in Berkshire Hathaway, and he owns around 31% of the total voting power in Berkshire Hathaway. Also, they're having the annual meeting for shareholders for Berkshire Hathaway at around the same time that this video is being uploaded. So that's also another major thing that could actually influence the stock prices in the short term and make it actually boost up a bit higher. And also, Warren Buffett recently stated that he thinks that the Berkshire Hathaway stock won't be able to get more acquisitions of smaller businesses until the whole SPAC trend slows down. So that's going to be another big thing to just watch out for. That just gives us two things. It gives us a sign that Berkshire Hathaway is on the hunt to acquire more and more businesses. And the second thing that it tells us is that the whole SPAC thing is somehow related to this. And once it does die down, then Berkshire Hathaway, we can start seeing them acquiring more and more businesses. And you guys just want to be just taking notes on this. Write that down. If you guys start seeing the whole SPAC thing dying down, that's a sign that Berkshire Hathaway will start going on the hunt for more businesses. And then in turn, you're going to see their stock prices start increasing. And that's the time that you guys want to kind of get in on the dip and just ride that up for the short term. But also not just for the short term. If we actually do zoom out, you guys can actually see that this stock has actually been doing pretty well. For the long term as well. It's just been slowly increasing over time. And it's just been going up, and you guys can see it actually had a peak at $417,000 pretty recently as well. So that's actually pretty insane. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the technical analysis for this stock for the last couple of weeks. So let's just go ahead and actually zoom out. You guys can actually see right here that starting like last week, the stock was worth around $403,089, and then it sort of rises up, has a lot of consolidation around this point. And then if we actually do zoom in, the stock has been seeing a lot of major gains at opening, and then it just has this point of consolidation, and then it just slowly rises up as an ascending triangle. It ends up hitting $417,546, and then it just slowly starts to descend from there. And currently we're at a dip point. If we actually do zoom in, it's worth $412,250 roughly. And the RSI is actually at around 39.25, so that's actually pretty decent, and that means that the stock is slightly oversold, so it might be a decent time to actually get into the stock. You can actually ride up the momentum, and then you can just exit out as a short-term trade, because most of the news that I actually mentioned earlier is just for the short term. If you guys just want to make some profits and just get in and out, that's actually going to be a very good point to get in currently, because of how the stock is slightly oversold. But if you guys do want to be watching this for the long term, just it's going to be a bit different. I might cover that in a future video. If you guys want me to cover Berkshire Hathaway in the long term, just make sure to comment that down below, and I'll cover that in a future video. But that's going to be the end of this one. If you guys did enjoy, please go ahead and leave a like. And as I said earlier, go ahead and subscribe with the notification bell on if you guys don't want to miss any future uploads. Also, go ahead and click that blue join button and just check out some of the membership offers. If you guys actually want to become a member on this channel, you're going to have to join the Discord group chat, which I'm going to be giving you guys the link to. If you guys have actually become a member through that blue join button, just let me know in a comment down below in one of my videos if you guys have become a member. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time.